when I come to this website, what's gonna happen is that you can see that this is by default the home page of this website. Okay, so whenever I go to this URL, which is the website, it's gonna actually render back on my browser as a very nicely and very friendly kind of whatever that text we have written over there is that, welcome to Radical Academy. Okay, so and if I now put a slash, now I'm kind of escaping out of the home and then going to another URL. So after is that user. So I reach there, and then the other thing is that I type in my name, for example. So it's gonna actually take me to the user slash whatever the username is, or whoever is visiting that specific website. Okay, so it's now saying that hello Mike, welcome to Radical Academy. Okay, and this is basically how you can just try to understand how this view function, the URLs works. Okay, so for example, I can put a name like Lakson. So hello Lakson, welcome to Radical Academy. So that's how dynamic we can make it. And also let me put one of my friends, please. Hi, Chrissy Kebele, welcome to Radical Academy. So neighbor, my friend Elena Mapande. Hello Helena Mapande, welcome to Radical Academy. And then also one of my friends also, maybe I can put Matthews. I remember since grade 10, grade 11 to 12, he's been emphasizing on his name. Okay, so most of us, we are used to write Matthews without just with a capital, one single T, but instead of a double T. Okay, so I've actually noted of his caution, or rather the warning about his name. So the home page, which is 127.0.0.1, and then 4:5000. So the 5000 is the specific port which is allowing us to connect to the local host, which is that, and then it's /user/Matthews. Okay, so it's saying that hello Matthews, welcome to Radical Academy. Okay, so I can also go and dynamically change some of these just some few things. Okay, so let's change user.html. So what I can do is that I can also make this a piece of text be moving from left to right. Okay, so what's going on? Okay, so what we can do is that we can actually change this in the p tag. So this is the HTML part of it. Let's just add on something just to, so this is what we call the marquee. Okay, the marquee. So what it does that it sets this piece of text into motion, maybe running from right to left. Okay, so right to left. So let's see how this is going to work. How it's going to work. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's how that function works, and that's how easy you can be able to see it. And you just even some of the things that we see normally on these current website or some of these sites on the internet is that they have this one of these is being implemented in some of the website that allows the piece of the text to be moving from one position to the other position, and just like that you can move it horizontally or vertically depending on how you want to actually that thing to be. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching so much, and I really do appreciate for your time and just following this piece of information and a simple tutorial just for us to continue understanding this stuff. Okay, so I really appreciate so much, and I'll see you in the next video. It's bye bye.